And there you have it. Look at that. It's all, oh wow, look at that. Right guys.
Hey
good
guys.
morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone, and welcome to today's video.
Today we are in F8 Markaz
in Islamabad. So just to give you an explanation of what a markaz is, in Islamabad you have different sectors. So you have your F7, F8, F9, G10, G11 markaz, and within each markaz there's a shopping area, and within the shopping area there's loads of shops, there's restaurants, there's takeaways, clothes shops, all kinds of different places. And I'll give you a quick twirl around, and you can see this is just like one little teeny street around there. And so we've just been dropped off by our taxi.
What we got here?
And what we've got here, Assalamu alaikum. People, how are you? Very good, very good. Very good, very good.
Yeah.
No, ye theek hai, he's fine, he's fine. Here we go. So this is a famous place called Butkarai, and we went here the other day. You'll see our vlog that we did.
Aapka naam kya hai?
Saftar Iqbal और गुलाम साबर. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. कैसे हैं? यूके से आए हैं.
माशाल्लाह, मुझे नजर आ रहा है.
कैसे? हम तो पाकिस्तानी हैं, देखे ना. अच्छा अच्छा.
उनके मत्थे पे वाट होता है, वो टुकड़े टुकड़े जो तो खुशहाल नहीं होते.
जी जी, ये तो ठीक है, ठीक है.
और आपकी सेहत ठीक है? हम आपको कुछ खिलाएं पिलाएं?
नहीं, हम थोड़ा सा घूम रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर क्या.
हमारी तरफ से बिला तकल्लुफ तो खा.
नहीं, शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया. इंशाल्लाह आएंगे आएंगे इंशाल्लाह. थोड़ा सा वो करते हैं ना, इंशाल्लाह आएंगे. ठीक है, शुक्रिया. अल्लाह हाफिज. अल्लाह हाफिज. That was really nice of them. We are walking around F8 Markaz.
We've got literally like a garage here. It looks like some sort of tyre place.
Yeah, so we're just kind of
And
hesitating to walk around.
That looks like they're fixing this truck.
Yeah, here we go, look at that.
Oh,
So,
a guy underneath there. That's just literally
fixing the truck.
tyres. It looks like a tyre place here.
Very safe indeed. I won't disturb him. So I think we're kind of getting out of the Markaz here, but let's walk around. Let's go down that alleyway and see what we find. Yeah? Come on in. So this is what you have when you walk around the Markaz. It's just like loads of different random shops. You know, you've got a little tuck shop here. You've got a bank, Habib Bank. Loads of different places. And honestly, if you just want something, you'll definitely find what you're looking for in a Markaz. Plan of attack today is we're going to get something to eat because we're absolutely starving. Not had anything to eat.
I'm very hesitant. I've not ate all day. Oh, I'm not ate all day because I just had a banana. And Zakariya's having a great time here right now.
He is, isn't he? He's looking straight at his mummy. Hey Zakariya.
I do not want any spicy foods today. I don't think my stomach can handle it. So
No?
I'm very hesitant. I think I might get myself like a bread sandwich.
Oh, like a wrap or something.
But yeah, I'm just enjoying being in a new area and exploring
Yeah.
and just seeing what's going on, because as Irfan explained earlier, there's loads of different markers and they're not all the same, are they? Right, where would you like to eat? That's the question.
That is the question, because you want something light.
Yeah.
You want something that is non roti and stuff, because you got these places. Oh yeah, because you got this. Assalamu alaikum. And the problem is in Pakistan, getting something light is very rare, because everything is full on.
Unless we go to Crush, because they had like burgers, and we're going there later for nitrogen ice cream, aren't we?
Yeah, we're going there for nitrogen ice cream.
So stay tuned for that because we're excited.
I'm looking forward to that. There's dainty fast food. Yeah, or the other thing though, what I saw over there was wrap it.
Alright then.
So that wrap up, yeah, wrap it or wrap
We'll
up.
go to wrap up then.
Yeah, shall we see what they've got?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Oh, there's a few places in here. So you got Butkarai there. Assalamu alaikum. Is this just Butkarai over here?
Yes.
All of this is Butkarai, yeah?
All of this.
Okay. What do you think?
Best brand.
And which one is wrap and go?
Same.
Oh, it's all same.
Same.
Oh, okay.
That's upstairs then.
You go upstairs. Okay, we go upstairs. Is that okay?
Same.
Okay, let's go upstairs.
See?
Ready, steady, let's climb. Loads of steps, loads of steps, loads of steps, going up and up and up. You know what? We've been sat inside all day, so it's good that we're getting some steps in.
Yeah, it's a bit more cooler up here now.
Yeah, true. It was absolutely boiling. Boiling. Ah, that's what we're talking about.
Look at this.
This is what you call a Assalamu alaikum. Kaise hain? Nice, lovely view. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. So apparently this is Bhatkarai's place, but
It's also wrap and go.
apparently, let's see, hopefully we haven't been tricked into coming here. Here we go. So yeah, it is Bhatkarai. वो wrap and go menu है आपके पास?
Wrap and go starting one.
What time did it start?
After 1 month, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Light.
Light. तो इनके लिए थोड़ा सा कोई light चाहिए.
Actually, we have all desi food, sir.
जी, it's all desi food here, yeah.
Some Chinese item we have if you like to try.
Are you okay? How's
What is your
day?
name? Your name?
My name is Kashif.
Kashif. Good. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Are you from Islamabad?
I'm from Ahmedabad. I'm working in.
Oh, up the bar.
Ah, Ahmedabad. Yes, we want to go to Ahmedabad.
Maybe.
Yeah, inshallah.
Where are you from?
From England, UK.
From England.
Yeah, from the UK.
You came for visit? Visit for Pakistan visit?
Yeah, traveling.
So
Traveling.
we left everything in England
Okay.
and we booked a one-way ticket,
Okay.
and then we just travel Pakistan, maybe
One
go
place to another place to another place, inshallah. Yeah.
All over Pakistan. Huh?
All over
all over
Pakistan, inshallah.
then
Yeah.
maybe go to Asia, like maybe Philippines
But
or
one
Thailand.
type of.
Yeah.
That's right.
So we don't have any plans. We're just traveling with this little one.
We have a look at the menu and I'll call you. Is that okay? Yeah? Okay. So one of the most beautiful things about Pakistan, I would say, is the sunsets and the backdrop on the sunsets. That orange glow that you get between Asr and Maghrib namaz is just absolutely beautiful. So just check it out. Just look at that. It's just absolutely beautiful. Masjid in the background, the sound of birds chirping, and it's just beautiful. And then when you look around, you have all the different shops just going about their day, their busy life, their busy days, doing their thing. And that is the beauty of Pakistan. And then you have Zaki Pupu looking around.
He's just like dribbling everywhere right now.
Hey, 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 Bubba. Are you okay, Bubba? He's just looking at the strings
birds.
and the lights and the birds.
Are we going to cut to the next scene now?
Yeah. So we've now finished off from Bhatkarai and we're going to cut off to the next place. Zakaria is all strapped in.
Just
And
about, yeah.
we-
And we're just going to push him higher because he doesn't like being low.
too low. So there you go. So now off to the next place, and it's going to be the star of the show.
Nitrogen ice cream. Let's go. Thank you, guys. Very
Thank
nice.
you. Very nice. Very delicious food. Very delicious. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz. So we are going into a place called Crush Nitrogen Ice Cream, right here in,
F8.
is it F8? I keep
Yeah.
getting confused. In F8 Markaz,
Hello.
and we're just outside. So for you that can't find it, it's right next to the petrol station in F7 Markaz. This is the entrance, and it's right funky looking place. So Nadia's already in now,
Yeah.
and we can see, wow, look at this place. It looks proper funky, man.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Proper nice, proper nice. Hello, hello, how are you? You good? Yeah, we're good, thank you. We're very
Are you
good.
from the UK originally, or?
I'm from. I lived in Hong Kong for like 12
Oh, in
years.
Hong Kong.
Oh, in
you've
Hong
got
Kong.
an accent.
Yeah,
English. Very good, yeah.
Thank you.
this place is proper cool, man.
Thanks.
Very cool, look at it. And so what is nitrogen ice cream? So what's the concept?
It's like it's not frozen like before. We make it fresh in front of you. We put liquid nitrogen in the batter I mix for ice cream, and then
Okay.
it's fresh.
Ah, it's fresh.
Frozen.
Wow.
Yeah.
Fresh frozen ice
Nitrogen
cream.
sounds like it's bad for your health, but it's alright.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
no,
it's
no
good.
cracks.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you've got various different flavors that you can
Yeah.
choose from, yeah? Okay,
Oh,
sorry,
I'm
what was your
excited.
name? We didn't get your
My
name.
name's Yusuf.
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 Yeah.
Yusuf. My name's Irfan, this is Nadia, my wife, and this little one here is the king. His name is Zakaria. Do you want ice cream? Oh,
Yeah.
maybe in a couple of months.
Yeah.
He's too young for it yet. That is where the work of art happens. Oh yeah. See, look, liquid nitrogen right there. Looks like a little science experiment, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's proper funky this place,
Yeah,
isn't
it's
it?
proper funky, man. I didn't
I've got
expect.
all these flashing lights.
I didn't expect something like this in kind of Islamabad, Pakistan. It's more like a hipster place that you would find in, you know, Hackney somewhere in London, you know, the way it's set up. So I'm quite impressed.
So we're waiting for the one and only Yad Ventures to join us. So we'll cut back when he arrives and
we're
then
gonna
we'll
order.
show you the nitrogen ice cream.
I'm going to order some delicious flavours, I think. So we'll cut back then.
There he is! There he is! Look who bumped into you again!
Family's here. Hello guys, how are you?
Just keep bumping into this guy, don't we? He's smiling. Hello.
Yes, lad. What's happening?
Irfan is here.
Good.
Yeah, we've got the brother
We've
back
got
in
the-
town.
We have
Feels like I
indeed.
haven't seen you guys for ages.
I know, man.
Oh,
We were
man.
meant to have a
I
day
don't know
together,
last
weren't we?
night.
Yeah.
But it didn't quite work out. Someone's power.
This is nice.
Yeah, let's sit on this
Yeah.
little couch bit.
Guys, we're going for the lavish place.
Yes, we are. We're going for the corner suite here. It's a nice place, isn't it? It's like you're in a disco at that
it's
nightclub.
nice.
You see the music.
Right, guys. So we're going inside behind the scenes of the nitrogen gas, and we've got brother here. Oh wow! Look at this. The smoke in there. The mango in there, and the nitrogen has come through. It's like wizardry you got here, mate. Wizardry. This is it. This is something out of like a Harry Potter movie, I think. And there you have it. Look at that. It's all. Oh wow! Look at that. That is what you call instant ice cream there. So this, I think, is a much healthier version of the full fat ice cream, right? Because I guess you use whole milk, flavoring, and then push nitrogen through it to instantly freeze it.
Yeah, it's like, it was liquid, like I prepared it from like scratch.
Okay,
It's like fresh.
there you have it. And the last bit of nitrogen through it. Wow, look at that.
Amazing.
Beautiful.
Amazing.
Are you ready for the taste test, honey bunny?
Oh yeah, am I tasting this?
No. The ice cream here.
Right, the video's ready for his milk.
The Korea's ready for his milk. Daddy's just going to taste the mango ice cream. I think
No,
I'm
Mummy's
going to
gonna taste the ice cream first.
Let's go.
Mummy.
I've never had nitrogen ice cream, but I'm going for it, lads. Going for it. Oh my god.
Is it good? Is it good, man?
That is good, man. That is actually... I'm not really an ice cream person, am I?
Nah, not really.
That is good, mate. That is so good.
Yeah,
It's actually doing wonders for my stomach too. Oh my god, it's so good. Right. That's delicious, isn't it? How sick.
That is.
That is
Wow.
good, man, with a capital G.
Oh yeah.
That's sick, isn't it?
That is very good.
Oh my god.
It's ice cream, but it's a nice, light, kind of not overly flavored, overly creamy ice cream. Oh yeah.
Okay, feeding time.
Zaki poo poo.
Be back in a minute. Oh, look at them. Got the Nutella ones now.
Yum, yum.
Honestly, yeah, this ice cream is unbelievable.
amazing,
It's
yeah?
so good,
Really?
honestly, and it's good for the stomach too.
Okay. Alright.
I never normally rave this much, but it's really seriously good.
Let's give it a go. Wow.
Isn't it?
Wow.
Good ice cream, innit?
Yeah, that is so
That's
good.
amazing. I want more than one scoop.
Yeah, I know. That's what I
want
was just
three
thinking now. You know.
Honestly, you can tell when someone's fibbing, but this ice cream
Guys,
is so worth it.
It's got like the consistency, like the milky consistency.
It's
Yep.
beautiful.
Very, very, very
It's not
delicious.
heavy. 'Cause
No,
sometimes mango stuff can be heavy. You need to try the mango one.
Very, very nice. Let's give the Nutella one a little taste test.
So good, guys. I'm giving that 11 out of 10. So worth
Oh yeah, the Nutella one is good.
Is it good?
Yeah, chocolate.
it.
You cannot go wrong with that. You can't go wrong. You know what? You can't miss out.
Gotta go there, gotta go there. Can't miss out, no.
No, you can't miss out.
That's what it's called true love, guys. Get yourself a husband that feeds you ice cream. When I had the best ice cream, it was in Malta.
Oh yeah,
This is on par, you know.
really?
I'm not even joking. That Nutella ice
That
cream.
says a lot.
That
says a lot.
Honestly, that is delicious. Right, I wouldn't. Can you feed me one more?
I'll feed you one more.
Look at it looking at me like, Mummy, what's going on?
Yeah, what you gotta do is have all of it.
Right.
Go in, that's it.
Let's go, go.
Right guys, so we're gonna enjoy the rest of the ice cream, but just in terms of price, this is the price list. You've got a single scoop is $2.99, which is about £1.20, and then it's 100 rupees extra when for a double scoop, and then a triple scoop is $5.99. So I would say a double scoop is good. We got a single scoop, I might go for one more.
You know what? It's actually the cheapest, bestest ice cream I've ever had.
Exactly, yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Definitely. Definitely.
Cheapest, bestest, even if that's even a word.
Bestest.
Bestest. Delicious, right? After I fed Zakaria, because he's number one priority, that is going in my belly.
Right guys, so that was an absolutely amazing ice cream, and I have to say it was one of the best.
One of the best.
One of-
right up there.
One of the best.
We're just leaving now.
And we have the lovely
Yusuf,
owner here,
yeah.
Yusuf, right here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, brother.
It was
Really, really
good ice
appreciate
cream.
it.
Thank you so much.
It was delicious ice cream, man. You got something really good here, by the way. Really, really good here. Alhamdulillah. May Allah bless it and make you successful. But on that note, guys, we're gonna end the video here. We've had a lovely time with our friend Yad as well.
Yeah,
You got-
Yaddy boy.
Yo,
That's it.
subscribe
Subscribe.
and like.
So on that note, guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and also comment down below if there's something specifically you want us to do while we're here in Pakistan. We're traveling from the south all the way through to the China border.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload our next video. And on that note, follow your visions.
We'll see you on the next one.
Ciao.